Alright, so we've got the cable going up into the boat. It's not connected to anything. And we're going to push this into the rear of the housing now and just get it to thread and take. So, G, are you pulling?
Cool.
Okay.
Yep, yep.
Okay, stop. Alright, now I pretty much need to. The cable's gonna twist up there, so just let it twist, G, if it needs to, alright?
Got it.
Alright, so we've got that in. It's sealed up, cable's in, we got the hose clamp on the bellows there, and you can see now is that that's in a good position. So I'll just put a zip tie on the back of the bellows there. What we're going to do now is we're going to route the cable on the inside and push the inner through.